Listen,
Technically.
yeah. I mean,
so today's the day a lot of people have been waiting for, the iPhone 5. There are people who, iPhone 5 4S, we'll get into that, but people who wait in line to get a new iPhone. I mean, you know, it's just that big of a deal.
you know, I can't think of anything I would wait in line for.
But this is big.
Certainly not a
Bigger
phone.
screen. Let's bring in Anthony Mangaluzzo, who, this is pretty big, has an iPhone. For the longest time, he was, oh, I don't need an iPhone, I have my Droid.
Hey, well, guess what? The iPhone 5 will be copying off the Droid, so they are
okay.
learning. But yeah, I'm a traitor. Sorry,
Yeah.
Google.
So that's the iPhone 4 right there.
This is the 4.
And the 5 may be coming out today?
The 5 will be announced today. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. And one of the things that's a little confusing for people, this is the iPhone 4, but it's only 3G speed, which means it's a little bit slower.
Okay.
The new iPhone 5 is going to
Yes.
go on the 4G network, which means it'll be 10 times faster. But you also have to have 4G coverage. So a guy like me in Marlton, New Jersey,
Yes.
not going to get as fast as someone in Philly like Mike.
So somebody like me, this is why I bought the iPhone. I'm not even gonna lie. All I wanted, I think the pictures are cool and I like the videos. And I hear the newer ones, the video quality is really good.
8 megapixel,
What does
which
that
is
mean? I don't know what the megapixels.
That's the only geeky term I'm going to use. Basically, it means that the pictures and the photos are going to be extremely clear, and you can shoot high definition video
On your phone.
on your phone. It's getting
That's good
crazy,
stuff.
isn't it?
That's really good stuff.
Well, that makes everybody out there a reporter for our station.
Oh,
in a way.
Way to bring it back to the news. That is true, Mike.
Well, yeah, you're carrying around a video camera
Yeah,
now.
a
Everybody has
high-quality
one.
one.
High quality.
Now, what's the voice command thing? What is that all about?
The voice command, I'm really waiting to see what happens. It's a project called Siri. It was the personal data assistant. Basically, you can have a conversation like you and I are having right now, and the phone is supposed to be able to detect what you're trying to do, open the applications, and make it more user-friendly. So if someone has a habit when texting when they're driving, I could say, text Chanel, hey, how you doing? And the phone
And
will
it'll
just do that.
it for me?
What else turns you out about this? How's it going to make it different?
You know what? It's going to be a lot of the same stuff at the end of the day, because guess what? They're already talking about the new iPhone 6 rumors, and this isn't even out. So, look, it's going to be phone envy. The screen's going to be bigger. The cameras are going to be better. It has the processor of the iPad 2, which means stuff is going to run really fast. At the end of the day, what's the difference between 10 milliseconds and 9 milliseconds?
Right.
A lot.
A lot.
I'm running out of time.
You have phone envy?
By the way, I do have phone envy. Okay, if you had to choose between the iPhone 5 and let's say an iPad, what would you live without? The iPad, right?
I would live without the iPad.
Because you
think I
can't
would,
call
too.
on it.
It's
You
too
can't
big.
call on it. It's too big, and I mean, it's the latest, greatest until tomorrow.
How much is it?
It's going to be $199 start, and it's going to be the same price as the previous releases.
I have AT&T. No good?
The phone quality might not be that good, but it's still an iPhone. It's still just as good. And the Sprint network is rumored today to possibly get it as well. Unlimited data, which will be a big selling point.
Last question. Can I sell my iPhone?
Sell it now.
Really?
Now. Put it on eBay. Sell it now.
I wondered about that. And then I can get the money and go
Not
get
with
a
that
new one.
cracked face
No,
on
I
it.
have a new one.
Okay.
Now, will the case, can I still use my case on the...
The new phone is also, of
see
course,
how they do
thinner and
that?
lighter.
Of course you can't use the same case.
But
You're the
definitely
best.
sell now. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. At stores, or you have to get them online, or what?
You can get them. They're going to announce all the stuff today, but
Okay.
probably pre-ordering online, and then, of course, they'll announce the launch date for the stores.
Thank you, Anthony. By the way, we do have some footage of Anthony that we discovered on the internet. He was
In my heels.
Right. He was
Okay.
vacationing in Colorado, and apparently when he's out of town, he does stuff like this. Interesting.
I
What
was working out, though. You see my calf muscles?
Yeah.
Your
Fantastic,
beautiful legs,
Anthony.
Anthony. Beautiful. We'll explain what these guys are doing in a moment.